In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to your team settings in Stripe. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that everything is set up correctly. This tutorial will be useful whether you're managing a business on Stripe or just need to expand your team efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to stripe.com. You can easily do this by typing stripe.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the web page loads, look to the top right corner where you'll find the sign in option. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be directed to a login page where you'll enter your email and password associated with your Stripe account. Ensure that your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. Upon successfully signing in, you'll arrive at the Stripe dashboard. From here, navigate straight to the Home section. The home page offers a comprehensive overview of your business activities on Stripe, but for our purpose, we're going to head to the Settings. Next, click on the Settings option. Typically, you'll find this at the bottom of the sidebar on the left-hand side of your dashboard. The Settings page is crucial. It is essentially the control hub for how your Stripe account operates. Within the settings, locate the Account Settings option. You're likely to find this quite intuitive, as Stripe presents a well-organized settings menu. In the account settings, you'll want to look for Team and Security. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up the team management options. Now you're starting to see all your current team members. Here, find and click the Add Member button. This button is generally located towards the top of the team management page and kicks off the process of adding a new team member. After clicking Add Member, you'll need to enter the email address of the new user you want to add to your Stripe account. Please ensure the email address is correct to avoid sending invitations to the wrong person, which could cause unnecessary delays or security concerns. With the email address in place, the next step is to assign a role to this new team member. Stripe offers a variety of role options, allowing you to control access levels appropriately. Choose the role that best fits the responsibilities you want this new team member to handle. Lastly, after selecting the appropriate role, click on the Send Invite button. This will dispatch an invitation directly to the new member's email address, allowing them to join the team. There you go, you've successfully invited a new user to your team.